Excel doesn't have a built-in way to convert numbers to words, so there are a few different methods depending on your Excel version. I'll walk through the most reliable options in order. The first method uses VBA, which works in all Excel versions. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. You'll see the project pane on the left side. Right-click on your workbook name at the top of that pane, then hover over Insert and click Module. This creates a new module window on the right. Now paste in Microsoft's spell number code. You can find this on Microsoft's official support page by searching for spell number. To copy data from another sheet in Excel, you have 5 methods to choose from depending on whether you want a static copy or a live link. Start with simple copy-paste for a one-time copy. Navigate to your source worksheet using the Sheet tabs at the bottom of the screen. Select the cells you want to copy, then press Ctrl-C. Switch to your destination worksheet, click the cell where you want the top left corner of your data to appear, and press Ctrl-V. The data will paste in. This is a one-time copy and won't update if the source changes. If you need the data to update automatically, use a formula reference instead. Click the cell where you want the data to appear, then type an equals sign. Click on the Source Sheet tab at the bottom, then click the cell you want to reference. Excel builds the formula automatically in the formula bar. Hit Enter to complete it. The cell now displays the source value, and any changes to the source will update automatically. The third method is Paste Link, which creates dynamic links for an entire range at once. Select your source data and press Ctrl-C. Go to the destination sheet and press Ctrl-Alt+V to open the Paste Special dialog. Hit the Paste Link button in the bottom left. Excel creates individual references for each cell in your range. The whole thing updates automatically when the source changes. If you want just the values without formulas or formatting, use Paste Special with values. Copy your source data with Ctrl-C. Go to the destination sheet, then right-click on the destination cell. Look for Paste Special in the menu, then select Values. This pastes only the results, not the formulas. The last method is typing the reference manually for precise control. Click your destination cell and type an equals sign. Then type the worksheet name followed by an exclamation mark and the cell address. For example, sheet2.a1. Hit Enter. If the sheet name has spaces, wrap it in single quotes, like projectmilestones.a1. Tips. You can drag a formula reference down or across to copy it to adjacent cells. Methods 2, 3, and 5 create dynamic links that update when the source changes. Methods 1 and 4 give you static copies. All of these work within the same workbook. If you need to reference a different workbook, open it first and build the reference by clicking the cells you want.